Today, I'm going to show you how to import fonts into Pixlr, step by step, so you can quickly use your own custom typography in any project. This is super useful if you want your designs to look more unique, more branded, and a lot less like everyone else's. Whether you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, posters or logos, adding your own font can instantly improve the look of your work. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to prepare your font file. Go ahead and download the font you want from a free font repository or any trusted source you like. Once the file is downloaded, right-click the folder and extract it or unzip it if needed. This part is important because Pixlr needs the actual font file, not just the compressed folder. When you open the extracted folder, look for the raw font format, usually a .ttf file or an .otf file. Those are the file types you want to use. Now that your font is ready, open your project workspace in Pixlr. You can do this in either Pixlr X or Pixlr E, depending on which version you prefer. Just launch Pixlr in your desktop browser and open the project you want to work on. Once your canvas is loaded, we can start adding text and importing the font. Next, click the text tool on the left toolbar. This is the icon you'll use to create text layers inside Pixlr. After that, click Add Text to place a text box onto your canvas. Don't worry about the wording yet if you're just testing the font. The main goal here is to get a text layer active so Pixlr can apply the custom typeface. Now for the import step. There are two easy ways to do this. The fastest method is drag and drop. Simply take your unzip.ttf or .otf file from your desktop and drag it directly into the open Pixlr browser workspace. In many cases, Pixlr will detect the file and add the font automatically. This is the quickest option if you already have the font file ready and visible on your computer. If drag and drop doesn't work, or if you prefer to use the menu, use the manual search option instead. Click the font name selection menu at the top or in the side options panel, depending on your Pixlr layout. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the font drop-down list and choose Add Local Font. When you click that, your file manager will open, and you can browse to the location of your font file, select the .ttf or .otf file and confirm it. Pixlr will then import the font into your project. Once the font is imported, go back to your text layer and open the font drop-down again. You should see your newly added typography appear at the very top of your custom font list. That's because Pixlr prioritizes imported fonts and pins them there for easy access. From here, just click the font name and it will apply to your text instantly. At this point, you can resize the text, change the color, adjust spacing, and style it however you want. This is where your design starts to come alive. If you're making thumbnails or graphics for social media, try comparing a few fonts to see which one fits your brand best. A custom font can make a huge difference in the final look of your design. And that's it. You've now learned how to import fonts into Pixlr using either drag and drop or the local font menu. Once you've done it one time, it becomes really fast and easy to repeat on future projects. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Pixlr and design tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Pixlr tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.